Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to fix this file is dangerous and Chrome has blocked it. So guys, if you don't want Chrome blocking your download, you can just simply go ahead and open up your Chrome, and then over here, select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and you will have this pop up, and you should be able to see here settings down below. Now, here on the settings tab, you should be able to see here privacy and security on the left side of the screen. Now, here you can just simply go for the security over here. And now, if you want to fix this issue, what you will do is select no protection over here. So guys, remember that if you turn off safe browsing, it will not protect you against malware, viruses, or malicious software. And by turning this off, you will not be safe. So guys, if you are sure, you can just simply select turn off over here. And once you have turned it off and you try to download it again, it will not be blocked anymore. But if you have the standard protection or enhanced protection, everything that has some dangerous files, it will be automatically blocked by Chrome. And from here, just select no protection to turn this on, and you should be able to fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.